All right. What I want to do in this video is I want to show you a really quick alternative way to fund your account that's really fast and pretty instantaneous. And it's going to be through Bitcoin. For those of you who are not familiar with Bitcoin, it's really simple process. I'm not going to go into the whole what is Bitcoin. If you need to know that, just simply go to YouTube and put it in and you'll find out. But one of the main things I want to show you is funding your account via Bitcoin. Now, what you want to do, if you go ahead and you can fund your account, wire transfer, e-payments, it's kind of like an online wallet where you fund the online wallet and then you can deposit into it with like a Visa, MasterCard, or you can do your Bitcoin. I prefer Bitcoin because it hits my account quicker with deposits and I get my withdrawals faster as well. All right. So, and I mean instantaneously. So if you want to do that, I suggest you go ahead and pay attention to the video. All right. So what we're going to do is you want to click on Bitcoin. And of course, I just went to deposit up here. It took me to that screen. And then here it's going to give you a list. It's going to say an amount, currency, and it's going to say BTC or CBTC. All right. So basically, just want to leave that on BTC for Bitcoin. And here it's going to give you an amount. Now, the amount that you put in here has to be in Bitcoin. All right. So you can't put like $100, okay, and think it's going to do $100 because it's actually going to fund your account with 100 Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is trading at over $2,500 right now. So unless you got 2,500 times 100, then I suggest you pay attention. So basically, but it's really easy. So only thing you want to do is this. First and foremost, you want to go ahead and fund your account, okay, which is your, it's going to be a Coinbase account. Now I'm inside of my Coinbase account. If you click the link below, you can set up an account. It's really fast. It takes you like 2 minutes. And also you'll get $10 once you go ahead and buy a minimum of $100 of Bitcoin. All right. So you get an extra $10 just for signing up. So, what you want to do here you're going to see this is what Bitcoin is trading at. All right. You'll see BTC. So this is the one Bitcoin is worth $2,722 right now. Your portfolio is over here. This is how much you have in Bitcoin. And this will be in US dollars, this amount right here. Simply what you want to do is you want to go to buy, sell. All right. So after you set up your Coinbase account and go through all of that, you go in here. It's going to tell you buy and sell. So you'll see either sell is going to be highlighted or buy is going to be highlighted. So what you want to do is you simply want to buy Bitcoin. All right. What you want to do is you want to say select a payment method. Now you haven't selected your payment method yet. So simply what you want to do is you want to go add payment method. And depending on what method you choose to fund it with would be certain limitations on that as well. Now, once you get to here, you go to add payment method here. You can do PayPal. Of course, that has lower limits. All right. Bank account, that takes usually 4 to 5 days. Or you can do your credit card, which is an instant buy as well. All right. So I got bank account and credit card or debit card set up. It's up to you. Either one you choose, just click it, follow the directions, and go ahead and input that. So let's say, for example, we want to put credit card. You just put in your credit card information, hit next, and it saves it. All right. So now, once that's done, you go back to the buy sell screen. And let's see here. All right. You go back to the buy sell screen. You make sure Bitcoin has the green little check mark, right? So that's what you want to purchase, Bitcoin. Now here it's going to tell you want to put in the dollar amount of Bitcoin that you wanted to put in. So if you're going to deposit $500 to start to fund your MAM account, then you just simply put in 500 right here in US dollars. And that's going to tell you this amount of Bitcoin equals $500. All right. So you're totally going to be buying $507.45 of Bitcoin. All right. So of course it has little transaction fees. So altogether you'll be, buying 507.45. Now, what you want to do is you just simply hit buy Bitcoin. and then it's going to take you to this screen. Make sure your payment method is set up correct. The availability. See, I'm doing checking it. This is a bank account, so therefore it's telling me this is going to be available to me on Friday. If I was using my credit card, then it would be available to me instantaneously. So then you just hit confirm, but I'm just going to hit cancel this transaction and just show you if you go ahead and use your debit card or credit card. See, this would exceed my credit debit card limit, which is $200 per week. All right, so it won't allow me to do a higher amount on that. So you go ahead and put in your allotted amount, $195. Okay, so it wants me to do a little bit underneath that, but those funds will be available right away. If you want to increase this, simply hit this increase limits, and it'll tell you what you need to do to increase your limits. All right, upload your ID, and then of course verifying it, etc. These are just different ways that you can increase your amounts that you're able to buy on that as well. All right, so going back to here, once you went ahead and purchased your Bitcoin, that should take about usually 30 to 45 minutes to hit your Coinbase account. Once you do that, you go back over to FX Choice, and this amount here you want to put in, let's say, what do we choose? Another little nifty thing I use is called a Bitcoin calculator. As far as it with here, and basically you can just put in the amount. So in US dollars here, I put, $200, and this will tell me this is how much in Bitcoin that is. I just simply take that, copy and paste, go back into FX Choice, and I put that amount right here. All right, so this is how much Bitcoin I want to buy. I hit submit, and this right here will tell me basically they're going to be doing 0.07 of Bitcoin into my account. I hit confirm, and basically it's going to give me this little address here. All right, what I want to do is copy and paste this. All right, you copy and paste that address. Then you're going to go back to your FX Choice account, and once your money hits your account and it's available, you want to go into send request, and this is your email or the Bitcoin address. You can put it here of the recipient. Now we want FX Choice to receive these funds, so we want to text that information in there. All right, and then also we're going to be doing 0.07 of Bitcoin, or if you want to put that in US dollars, click this little button and just go to US, and you can do it in US. All right, and that'll tell you how much in Bitcoin right here that you're going to be putting into that account. All right, so and then you hit send funds, and then it hits your account at FX Choice. It usually takes about an hour or so, and then that it would be funded, and that's it. But it's an alternative way to really get your funds really quick. All right, when doing it this way, of course you can still do your deposit through Visa, MasterCard as well. It just I prefer Bitcoin for obvious reasons. All right, so I hope that makes sense. If you need any help, FX Choice has great customer service, and they can walk you through the process of depositing with them, whether it be Visa credit card or using Bitcoin. Hope that makes sense, guys. See you soon.